Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find Binance wallet address. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Binance app and then right over here tap on this option of wallet given at the bottom right corner. Now from over here, simply gonna go ahead, tap on the deposit, or otherwise if you see your asset right over here of which you would like to see the address of, you can tap on that. Otherwise you can tap on deposit and go to search bar and search in your particular crypto that you would like to see address of. Once you're done choosing, it will ask you to choose a network as well. Go ahead, choose a network, and then over here this kind of interface is gonna pop up where you will be able to see your address and the QR as well. Now you can choose to simply copy the deposit address, simply copy and share this to anybody you would like, and that is it. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.